Welcome to the Sephora ApplePay installation video. This video will cover the replacement of the Verifone pin pads to enable ApplePay to be used at the registers. Start by shutting down the register by pressing the Ctrl-Alt-Delete and selecting Shutdown in the menu. You can work on multiple systems at the same time, but make sure to leave one register up at all times. Power off the system once the system is safe to shut down with the power off button on the register. Now we will cover removing the old pin pad. Loosen the thumb screw in the bottom back right hand side of the pin pad stand. Slide the pin pad back 1/4 inch, releasing it from the stand. Turn the pin pad over, unscrew the cable cover and remove the cover. Disconnect the cable by pulling it straight out. On the bottom of the old SIG cap unit, remove the 2 screws holding the stylus holder. This way, the old pin pad will be able to fit in a new pin pads box for return shipping. When boxing, place the stylus holder and the stylus on the top of the box. Now we'll cover installing the new Verifone. Remove the cable hold-down clip from the I/O block, being careful not to misplace the clip. Plug the cable into the I/O block, being careful with the connector, pushing straight down. Reinstall the cable hold-down clip. Install the I/O block into the Verifone by sliding it in from the top of the unit until it clicks in place. Align the 3 standouts on the stand with the Verifone. Slide the Verifone down into position. Tighten the thumb screw on the back of the stand. Power on the register. This would be a good time to start on another Verifone since it'll take about 4.5 minutes to boot up. At this point you should see the Verifone powering up. We'll have a USB error since the USB driver has not been loaded yet. You will want to minimize the POS Express program by pressing Ctrl-M on the screen. Select Yes this time only on the hardware wizard and follow the prompts. If you do not see the prompt for this and it is giving you the USB error, call the Sephora Help Desk support number provided in your documentation. When the driver is finished installing, press Alt-Tab to maximize the POS window. You are now ready to configure the Verifone. Simultaneously press 1, 5, and 9 for 1 second to enter configuration mode. Select Supervisor and enter the password provided in your paperwork. Once the password is entered, you'll enter the home screen. Select Administrator, then Communication, then Networking, Ethernet, select Mode, and then Static IP, then IP address. Follow the build sheet for each Verifone IP address. Next, select NetMask. It'll always be 255.255.255.0. For the gateway, the first 3 octets will be the store's IP, and then the 4th will be 33. DNS1 is 69.4.0.100. DNS2 is not configured. Once all the IP information is entered, press Apply, then Home. Once at the home screen, press Reboot. The system or the pin pad will reboot. You can restart the register by pressing Ctrl-Alt-Delete and selecting Restart. When the register has restarted, verify that Sephora graphics are on the Verifone screen. If not, contact the Sephora support contact. Sign into the register using the provided cashier number and password. You'll be testing the MSR on the Verifone by swiping a blank gift card. Press F5 gift card menu, then press balance inquiry, which is F2, then F1 for gift card. Then swipe a gift card. It should come up declined if it's blank. When you're finished with the installation, make sure that your checklist is complete. Clean up, box up the old Veriphones and get them ready for shipping. Take the final pictures, get sign off from the store director, and check out with a Sephora support contact. Thank you.